Picture it, the thrill of the Forex market, a world where currencies clash and fortunes rise and fall. But here's the secret. It's not all about fast-paced trading. Welcome to the art of long-term investing in Forex. Imagine you're a patient trader, someone who savors the game, not just the score. Your strategy? It's not about chasing the market's every move, but understanding its ebbs and flows. You see, Forex isn't just numbers and charts. It's a dance of economies, a symphony of supply and demand. And when you invest long-term, you're not just a spectator, you're part of the performance. In this arena, knowledge is your currency. You study trends, track global events, and patiently wait for the right moment. You don't just react, you anticipate. So, are you ready to play the long game? To turn minutes into months? To trade quick wins for enduring success? Welcome to the world of long-term Forex investing, where patience isn't just a virtue, it's the strategy.